Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss how to use the Visual Studio editor to debug your React apps. So for the standard developments, you should need have a launch.json file in your Visual Studio project, because if you don't have the launch.json file, you cannot enable the debug configuration for your React in the Visual Studio Code editor. So I think most of you are using the tools like create React apps to create the project. But create React apps don't include a launch.json file in the setup, because the file is specifically to the Visual Studio Code and not to the VS itself. So if the project is not initially set up in the Visual Studio Code editor, or if it was set up without debug configuration, the launch.json file would not be present. So if you want to create a launch.json file to enable the debug configuration in your React project in the Visual Studio Code editor, you have to go. You can click this run and debug button at the left hand side of the menu, and then if you because I already created the launch.json file, so if you are first time to create a file here, create the launch.json file here, you will see the create a launch.json file link here, or the gear icon at the top of the debug sidebar. So after you click that link button, you will have a task box here, ask you to improve. It asks you to select Chrome or the Edge browser. Depends on which browser you prefer for debugging. So and you can see here, this is a sample code of the launch.json file. Once you click the create launch.json file, Visual Studio will create the basics launch.json file with a basic setting for you. So in here, I just show you example. For me, I train the pod because I would like to run my React project in debug mode at the port 3000. So and then the when you can use the Edge browser for your debug here, so you can adjust this setting for your project specialist. Okay, now I try to demonstrate how to debug. First of all, you have to set the debug big point here, maybe something else somewhere, and then you run the start debug here. Because I already run this, so let me can see here. I go back to I click this button, okay, and then I go back to the code, and you can see here the program stop here because I set the breakpoint here, so that you can directly step over it and then continue. Okay, so and then you go back to a back to see the pages here. So now to train the pages, right? So okay, thank you for your watching, and I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.